thank you for my husband. He is an amazing partner and blessing in my life. He is more than I could ever ask for. I know that neither of us is perfect, but we are perfectly imperfect together. Lord, help my husband thrive in his job and to gain great fulfillment in his work. Help him to inspire others with his work ethic and positive attitude. Lord, let him see the fruits of his labor, and in lean times, help him to remember that you are still in control. Give him a hunger for your word. Lord, may he be a light in our family and to others. Remind him that only you define him. His purpose comes from you, not his work, hobbies, or even me. Lord, help him to prioritize his life according to your will, God, family, and then everything else. Let there be joy in our hearts and in our home. Give us a rock-solid marriage built on a firm foundation of faith and forgiveness.
All right, just simple questions.
Okay.
Okay. Do you smell anything?
No.
You should. It's a scent.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Do you see a fruit?
You mean not? You mean no? I don't see no fruits.
You should. It's a pear.
Okay.
Do you see any snakes?
No.
You should. It's 3 copperhead. Do you see any cars?
No.
You should. It's 4 Lincolns. Do you see any pussy?
Not looking at this, no.
Not for 5 cents, you won't.
What you doing?
Nothing.
You're not on Amazon, are you?
No.
Baby.
No.
Okay, I trust you.
24 hours later.
Dad, someone's at the door.
No. I got the door.
What is this?
The Amazon gods?
Seriously?
Ito? Ito.